This is a citizen's proposal. No party, no donor, just a simple belief that elections belong to the people. Money has taken over our elections. PACs operate in the shadows. Attack ads numb us, and the agency meant to enforce the rules is deliberately broken. We can fix this. 6. Reforms. Built on technology we already have. Infrastructure we already own. And principles most Americans already agree on. Secure voting stations at every government office and post office in the country. Biometric verification. No stolen SSNs. And mail-in or electronic options so no one gets left out. No PACs. No fundraising. No corporate money. Elections won on ideas, not on who raised the most. 8 hours of free airtime required from broadcasters. 1 ad per day, 1 mailer per week. No robocalls, town halls, and picnics. Yes, flood the airwaves. No, 1 citizen per state, chosen by lottery, submits a question. Educator moderators, keep it fair. Questions are locked before the winner is named, so no one can be pressured. No personal attacks, no going after family members. Keep it on the issues, and let voters, not politicians, define exactly where that line is by referendum. Replace the deadlocked FEC with a citizen's body, selected by state lottery from unaffiliated volunteers. No politician appoints them. No party controls them. 45% of Americans now identify as independent. That pool is larger than either party, and it's been growing for 25 years. The people are ready. One-time investment, existing infrastructure. Congress has funded far less important things. Securing our elections is the most fundamental job of a democracy. Contact your representatives, find your allies, start local, and share this because the conversation has to start somewhere. We have the technology. We have the infrastructure. What we need is the political will, and that begins with citizens demanding it.